guys were on duty today. They worked. They worked so hard. Except that we were in control of the game position wise, but we're not causing any threat to the opposition. That's the main problem about today's game, you know. But then we get our first goal, Buffett. I thought, okay, we get our first goal, we're gonna get the second goal. But I feel like we just took your feet out, go pedal, and we were relaxed, and then we got punished. And if you see how we got punished, it's those goals whereby we expected Foster to defend. Because if you look at that goal, Foster was the only SA player that could have saved us for a day. So he couldn't obviously, but they got a goal, and in a very very tight angle. Even Ronan Williams, I'm sure there was nothing more he could do. Then we get punished. We got punished by it. But